Fight him, hit him, Phil. Hit him, Phil. Oh, Mike, you gonna let... Hit him, Mike.
Go down. No.
Stay away from him.
Manny, got King Kong in the trunk.
Got King Kong in the trunk.
I remember one time you said that. It's like, I got King Kong in the trunk.
Woosah.
Oh. Manny does that on purpose, though.
Who are you recording?
I got the camera. Michael, get him.
I got the weed.
My earring.
You get the earring, too?
Find the earring. Give me my weed, Dick.
You want to see my ass? Yeah, the whole world.
Ow, my finger.
I got the weed.
Yeah, I'm recording you.
You get the earring,
Thank you.
too?
The earring's still on the weed.